sausage and some hash browns going. Looks like things need to turn again. Here, and we're eating inside the rig because it's a little cool out. I wouldn't have to put my cameras away.
And then, but animal crackers. How cute! Like a
come back for dinner.
I want one of these.
What, tonight?
$7.
Yeah.
Get a picture.
Dude, look at that view.
Have an oil on.
Oh, okay. So here we have the midst of all this. The whitest stripe on there, it's rolling on the ground.
So you got the pronghorn over there on the left.
Quit swishing your butt at me. Brave Mouse, he's up here with us. We're standing on the Gray right now. Down we go. Years ago, it's all formed.
Being up there.
Yeah, sorry. And over here more. Just how I it out there with us out of the warm car. Refrigerator. And all right, Pearl was wanting to go. What's that brown spot? Nope, she's not heading over to pet the fluffy cow. You see him chewing. The pinnacle over there. Placing that way. Side here, hi. Hello, thank you. We're at the entrance of the national park. Like that, I don't know if they're just standing on. Able to see our RV. Sit up here and saw the RV from up here.
Pretty big.
But we're going to share it. Tacos are really good.